friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So I just want to explain you one of the trade which I took recently, and I consider this as one of the toughest trade that I took recently, mainly because this trade I entered in the month of November, and I'm still holding on to it for almost more than 5 months. And the reason why I consider this as a toughest trade is because right after I entered it, the stock moved 9% and then came back to the original price of where I bought, and again it moved 20%, and again it came back to the price that I bought, and again it moved 25%, again it came back to the price that I bought, and again it moved 35%, and again it came to the price that I bought. Although this may look very easy in hindsight, but the last 5 months it was testing my patience, and I was thinking like, should I just hold to this stupid stock or just exit it? And finally my patience paid off. In the month of April, right now I'm standing in a profit of 36% right now. So the stock is none other than Black Rose Industries, and the capital that I deployed in the stock is 6 lakh, and so far the return has been 36%, so that translates into 2 lakhs 28,000. Even this figure is 12% down from the recent high. Originally I was in 50% profit, and it is down by 12% in the last 3-4 days. And yes, it is still causing me pain, and I'll just explain you how it all happened. Before that, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and also please share it with your friends so that everyone gets to know about this channel. Also, please make sure to subscribe to my Tamil channel Rajan Rajkumar. I will just place the link in the pinned comments. I will soon update the English subtitles to the video. Hello friends, so this is the stock that I'm talking about, Black Rose Industry. So I entered right after the breakout of this triangle pattern at the price of 125. Let me just draw a horizontal line so that you guys know. This is where I exactly bought 125. Okay, and what happened right after I bought it, it went up 9%, and then it fell almost 11%. So the rise was very quick, but the fall was very slow. And again it went up 21% from the low right around my buying area, and again it fell 14%. Again the fall was slow, the rise was very fast. So again it went up almost around 10%, it came down 8%, and then again another candle of 10%, and then almost a week or two downfall, and then finally the Black Rose was able to get out of this mess, and then again it fell almost 17%. So this was one of the it was testing my patience for sure. And the primary reason why I was holding on to this stock is mainly because whenever there was a fall, right, it wasn't huge, there was no major selling pressure. If you look at all these candles, these are not heavy selling candles, but when you look at the buying, the momentum is very high. So this is one of the reason why I was holding on to this. So the technique is very simple. We just have to find the right price, and we just have to sit tight. But I could have exited this trade probably if it were to break this area or this line. It depends on how the price action is forming, and if it's very huge, I would sell it right away. If the red candles are small, I would wait for this place. So I improvised the situation, be it trailing stop loss or stop loss. So again, right now I'm standing at 40% of returns, and let's see where it goes. I'm just going to stick on to this trade as much as possible, and because it has just come out of this good breakout, this particular pattern, 1 2 3 kind of resistance at the top, right, and even at the bottom you see 1 2 3 supports at the bottom. So this is a very good pattern, and I think it can go up till this point. But if you guys are watching this video, I would not recommend you to enter at this price point, because this is one of the mid cap stocks, and the movements are very huge, and beginners or even people who are 6 months old in trading, they will not be able to uh, hold this trade because of its volatility. So this is just for educational purpose. Please do not enter in this stock because my risk is entirely different from your risk. So I hope you guys learned something in this video. Please let me know if you guys have any doubt. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share it with your friends. See you soon with another video. Thank you so much.